everyone, today I'm going to be making a vegan vanilla cake batter smoothie. So where I'd usually use frozen banana, I'm going to be substituting with frozen cauliflower today to add that creamy texture effect in the smoothie. So what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein. I've got some pitted medjool dates, some frozen cauliflower, some rolled oats, and I'm going to be using oat milk. However, you could use whatever plant-based milk you prefer. So I'm just going to add everything into the blender, blend it until nice and smooth and creamy, and it'll be ready to serve.